Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Now I've got a little bit of a different unboxing today. This was sent to me by Ellemiek, so thank you very much, but I don't know what it is. So it's been sat here. It did arrive a day or two ago. I think it was yesterday it arrived as I'm filming this. But, of course, I needed to get on camera to do it, and I had other plans last night. So, yeah, I've got no idea what it is, but I'm going to have a look now. She did say something about it being fragile. Ooh. Ooh. So it comes in a foam, one of these little foam tube things, but then it's in a box, which is fine. These foam tubes with diamond paintings can sometimes cause problems, but I'm very excited. What have we got? It's a very nice box. Ooh, it's a diamond painting pen. At least I think it is. That's very different. Oh, there's a tip. So I've got in here, oh, there's a few different tips. So there's one of, there's one of the tips that is all plastic. Then there's two of the tips that have the brass pieces in the end. And then there is a pot of blue wax and a little pot that says thank you on the top. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then we have a glass pen. Oh, this is very nice. I can see my June whip and chat, the first day for definite, already has a pen. But this is glass. Oh, make sure I keep that somewhere safe. But this is made of glass. So do they fit? I don't want to push too hard. Okay. Yeah, we're in. So you put the pen tip in that end, and then it goes thicker at the end, but it's like it's as though it's got a couple of different layers by the looks of it. They have built the glass up. So on the inside there is sort of like a little crackle effect in the white. And then on top of that you then have these dots that look as though they've been sort of pulled down the glass and the pen, and then you've got somewhere to hold here if you need somewhere that's a bit thicker, or you can hold it where it's thinner, and then it goes to a little holder for the tip, which I don't think wants to come out now, and I'm not going to force it because it's glass and I want to be able to use it. Oh, that is lovely. So thank you ever so much, Ellemiek. Let me see if I can lift the whole thing up to the camera for you to be able to see it a little bit closer. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I've not seen those before as well. That's always a nice surprise, and the box is nice. I think this one is probably going to have to stay inside said box. I don't want to put this on my pen stand. The amount of times I knock a pen off that pen stand, I'm not risking it with this one. I think the acrylic can stand up to a little bit more than glass, but that's gorgeous. It is as though there's a few different layers, because I can see sort of speckles of white but underneath layers, and it's sort of more cracked up here and goes more speckled at the bottom. And I don't mean the glass is cracked, I mean the white looks cracked. But then it's like there is a layer running behind the white as well, in blue. And then of course you've got the blue tip here before it then goes into what actually may be a paler blue rather than a white. Oh, that's going to be fun to use for the first day of my June whip and chat if you're going to join me. I only have limited videos on this next week. I think I've got a video every other day rather than every day, leading up till Sunday. So there is one Sunday, Monday, and then we start the whip and chat on Tuesday. I'm even forgetting what day it is that we start myself. So check back to my video on Saturday if you want to sort of see some details for the June Whip and Chat. It's not an event you have to sign up to. It's not even an event you have to take part in if you don't want to. But it'll be fun if you do, or even if you start and see how it goes. See how you find working on a piece of a diamond painting each day, and hopefully by the end of it we'll all come out with some amazing paintings at the end of June. But me and my pen now are going to go and look at each other in different lights and I will see you back here for Friday's unboxing video before videos from Sunday onwards will sort of go back into schedule. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.